Imagine if you could clone yourself inside a GoHighLevel, where you have AI talk like you, handle leads like you, and book appointments like you. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I turned myself into a GoHighLevel AI voice agent using my actual voice. If you don't believe me, you have to see this. All right, so this is my AI agent, Declan, the GHL wizard. Yes, it is literally me, and check this out. We're going to talk to it right now. It sounds like me.
Hello, you've reached GHL Wizard. This is Declan. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm Declan.
Hello there, Declan. Looks like we share a name. Great choice, by the way. What can I do for you today?
Wait, I'm the GHL wizard too. You're not the GHL wizard, you freaking imposter.
You caught me. All right, you're the real GHL Wizard, and I'm just here to assist. Think of me as your trusty sidekick, ready to help with whatever you need. What's on your mind, almighty wizard?
Dude, I love Declan. He's so nice. But look at this. I built this so quickly and I used my own voice and it sounds like me. I did that in no joke 20 seconds. And don't worry, I'm about to show you in this video how to do this. I'm not even kidding you. It's so easy. You don't have to have 11 labs. You can do it all within high level. This just dropped. This is absolutely insane. It sounds like me. And I didn't even play with the settings. I could get it to sound even more like me. This is absolutely insane. So by the way, guys, if you're interested in high level, 30-day free trial link down below, go snag it. I give a ton of bonuses, free community, and a bunch of stuff. So check that out. But without further ado, let's go into setting this up for yourself, okay? So you're gonna come right into the dashboard, the sub account you want. You're gonna go right down to settings. You need to come to labs. You need to turn this on in order to do this. Toggle this on. It's the voice AI clone voice. By the way, you're gonna wanna have, where is it? This on too. New voice AI prompt builder, because that is this right here. It's the new one. It's just way better. But at the time of this video, you might already have these updates, but if not, turn them on. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna come right back, okay? And we're gonna go right to AI agents. You're gonna come to voice AI, agent list, and you're gonna pick one of your agents. You can do this for any of them, but we're just gonna pick Jasmine. We'll just do that for now. And check this out. Come right up here. You're gonna click the names, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna come to my voices right there, okay? As you see, mine is right there imported. Add custom voice, and you can either click import, which is bringing in, or clone. We wanna do clone. All we have to do here, this is so insane, is put a name in. We're just gonna do GHL wizard. You can either drag a file in. Okay, so you have a pre-made file of your voice. The longer, the better, even though there is a limit to plug in where it'll be trained on it, or you can record right here, right now to get it to work. And you can just leave this as 11 labs. It doesn't matter. But isn't this insane? So you can either upload right like this or like this. So check this out. Hey, how you doing today? It's the GHL wizard. I hope you're doing fine. Yeah, I'm here to clone my voice. I'm here to go over stuff. I'm here to sound like me, be an AI voice agent. I love high level. I am the #1 high level affiliate in the world. I have the best robe collection in the world. I guess someone out there would probably debate that. RIP Hugh Hefner. But yeah, I'm basically the GHL wizard. I love it. I love high level. I love everyone that's in the high level community. Everyone's amazing. And yeah, that's me. Boom. 30 seconds is all I need. You can go more. It's honestly better, but you want to make it sound like you. That's the pro tip. Go through. You can read from a script. What I do is I just talk randomly, but this is all I have to do. I can then click this. By the way, this is really important. If it's you, you can obviously do it, but do not be copying other people's voices. You will get in trouble for this. That's the disclaimer. Don't do that. You're going to click save, okay? And then what's going to happen is it's going to say queued, and it's going to take 3 to 4 seconds to load. So we're just going to wait for, oh, damn, look at that. It loaded even faster. So now this voice is saved. So we can save voice, okay? We'll come back here and we'll come right in here. We'll click GHL Wizard and we will save voice, and it's now the GHL Wizard. Click save, and then...
Hello, you've reached Ryan's chiropractor office. This is Jasmine. How can I help you today?
Hey, how you doing, Declan?
Hi there. I think you might have mistaken me for someone else.
See, I did 30 seconds and it sounded like me. That is insane. So that's how you do it, guys. It's that easy. You just come right in here. Once you have it, you go to add custom voice, clone voice, go through these steps, and you're good to go. And again, massive pro tip, when you're cloning yourself, I highly recommend you take more time. The longer you put in, the better. Now, I think there is a limit, but don't just do 10 seconds. Really give the fluctuation of your voice. Go high, go low. Talk like you're actually talking. Don't sound robotic, because it's going to sound like you if you do it robotic. But I did a tiny bit and it sounds like me. This is absolutely insane. Guys, if you have questions, please drop them in the comments down below. I'm telling you, this is a game changer for AI voice agents. Real quick, if you're interested in learning how to sell this, I've got a 30-day free trial down below. I'm telling you, when you sign up with it, you get access to my entire private community for free. So I'm talking a community full of winners. I'm talking every single training module, snapshot, and system you could possibly need, and 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free every week. Even talk to me on Zoom and message me whenever you want. You guys, all of this amazing community is free when you sign up with that 30-day free trial down below, or upgrade under me. But there's another link if you want to get it and you've already fully upgraded. But guys, I highly recommend recommend, quick tactical note on this before you sign up with my amazing free community, is that I would recommend you use some of the business owners' voices if you get permission for their AI voice agents. I'm telling you, the game is changing. Like this right here is one of the biggest AI voice updates I have seen yet, because what this is gonna do for the people is this is gonna enable business owners to give that one-on-one personal touch to their clients. I'm telling you, I think this is huge, like huge, especially for people that are the face of the brand, because this is only gonna get better. It's gonna get so good to the point where it's going to sound exactly like you. Right now, it's already really good, but it's just absolutely insane. So make sure you guys do this right now. You play with it. Make sure you get into my community. And make sure you learn about AI voice agents now, because they are the future. By the way, speaking of AI voice agents, I'm gonna link a video right now, because we're at the end of this video, that's gonna show you the entire AI voice agent tutorial so you understand how to build these. So thanks again for watching. Sign up with that 30-day free trial. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and watch the video that pops up right now.